Wait, Corey, wait, Corey.
He runs pretty fast, Tony. He's a pretty llama.
Wait till you see his teeth.
Well, they're big. Here are his teeth. Be careful.
No, he's...
They're gentle as can be. You get llama bit, it ain't no big shit.
Llama bite.
Here, record it. Stand over the edge and record it.
You can go to work. Yeah, I got a llama bite on my hand.
Get over the fence and record him that way. Big boy.
Like I seen us coming and he came running.
You see them three top flips? What's up? He's real gentle.
He's got feet all over his back.
Here, feed him, Daddy.
He is a gentle little boy.
Just drop it down in there and his little flaps will tingle you.
Open your flaps. Good boy.
Do it slower.
If you mean more, I'll spit on you. Oh, look at that face. I didn't know if he was coming at you for food or to spit on you.
He's got two little whoop whoppers right there. See him? It's like a camel toe on his
We're
face.
running out of food,
You got a
guys.
camel toe on your
We'll
face.
stop
Look
this
at it.
more.
You guys.
He's not a spitter at all, is he?
He's a nice boy.
He might, as we're
Look
looking,
at their feet.
There's nice and funny looking feet.
More of that. Fine, I'm gonna just a little bit more. Because you've been such a good boy.
Those two little noopers.